Well, good morning, campers. It's 10:57. July. Don't know what it is. 28th, something like that. Up at Kintbury. Really, really tired. Bit slept. Went to bed reasonably early last night, but it was because you've got no television here. You can't get no TV signal here. It's a bit sleepy. It's just started to bloody rain, hasn't it? Just started to rain. Got a bloody branch. I haven't been doing it all night, but there's a branch. It's got me. What's it? You got any clothes on? Oh, she's not there. Where's she gone then? Oh, that's that noise. That bloody trees hitting my aerial. Oh, I backed in here. I touched anything on the roof last night. Yeah, I won't be backing in much further, do I? Where you been at, H? Say good morning.
Good morning, campers.
You can't do my accent.
Campers.
No, I was bloody seen across there. I see your shoes there, and I thought, well, she's not in there. So that's fucking pissing down there.
She's fucked off again.
Yeah, she's fucked off again. Yeah. I thought you'd So I noticed she got in here. She won't wash me cup up because she reckons I'm fucking disgusting. She didn't say that, but I think she thought it. It don't what? It don't look like it.
It's the first time it's been washed since last time I was
Yeah, that's what she said. Don't look like it's been washed since the last time she was bloody here. Good cheeky Mary, you know. Didn't go for walks one, I think. You didn't go for walks one, did you, H? H? She can't hear me. I know it's like in fucking Cumberland or Cleveland, but see, she's off again, see. Why can't I bloody? She's gone for a wander. It's nice and sunny over there, but it's bloody. Oh no, it stopped raining now. It was raining over here. And bloody, what's it? I went to met somebody today. Arranged a meeting today in Westbury. Well, not in Westbury, down back home. But got a message yesterday about something like "Don't bother because you're too far away." So I thought that's right. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah, I don't know if they were coming, but I think it's about me batteries. Meant to have met today, 11 o'clock, and never happened. Well, never fucking happened when he's still here, but H is well pleased with her batteries. Her fridge has been playing up, but I keep thinking that the fridge is all right. It's just the batteries and it's not set right. But she seems to be quite happy. I mean, these lithium batteries stay fucking powerful all the time. I mean, like I haven't moved since last night, and mine's still got 3 bars up. So, yeah, so anyway, there's not much more to say, so I'll speak to you all later. Remember, stay classy, no fighting, I love you all. Bye-bye. And you, skins.